You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
There's a lot to like about carrots. They're aerodynamic, they're hydrodynamic, they're ground dynamic, and they're a friend to plants and animals everywhere. They make a great first-class lever, an excellent second-class lever, but they're garbage as a third-class lever. They're also one of the stabbiest vegetables on the planet. Take that, paper. Take that, wall. Take that, you no good flimsy piece of can that is really useful. The only other vegetable that's more dangerous is the parshiv. Oh yeah. Carrots also have very unique acoustical properties. They're completely silent when blowing in the wind. Guess what else? You can eat these things. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna put them in the water, right?
Wrong!
And why aren't we gonna do that?
Because baking is better than boiling.
That's right. Now you say it. Great. We're not putting them in hot water because we don't want to suck out a bunch of the nutrients and flavor, do we?
No!
Good. Now let's get this puppy warmed up.
Okay!
Oh, come on. It's like every couple months I gotta... Hundo is on for hundo, and it's silent because it's electric. We're just gonna give these a quick rinse, then wrap them in swaddling clothes and lay them in a pan. We're gonna drizzle some olive oil on the daggers, add in some salt, bit of triple P, and a little bit of honey. Don't go crazy. The reason honey works so well on carrots is because carrots contain a little bit of sugar. So when you add an external sugar source, it cancels out and then you end up with sugar-free carrots, I'm pretty sure. Don't forget to both cross rassle and side rassle to make sure they're evenly coated. Maybe they'll be a little more comfortable if we put them in the head to toe position. If you don't have these small carrots and you only have the big ass ones, there's an easy solution. Take them out to the barn. Grab your best carving knife and whittle them down to the size God intended carrots to be. No bigger, no smaller. It's just right. Walk the land. Check the trees. Think about Judy. Wonder what life would have been like had you been a better man. You can also just take a big ass carrot and smash it against the wall. And if you only have these super baby carrots, you can compress them with your hands until you get one biblically correct size carrot. If you and another person are cooking honey roasted carrots in the same onion on the same day at the same time, just use your wood burner to make your carrots distinguishable with unique symbols. So I had these things in for 25 minutes. I'm just gonna check them with a fork. Well, I was gonna rassle them and get the other side charred, but these puppies are done. These ones turned out pretty good too. Notice the variety of colors. Admire the sheen. Feel the warmth. Absorb the essence. Be mystified by their very existence. Bask in the glory of the honey roasted carrot.
If you've got a carrot, then make sure to share it. You don't want to make your friend mad, end up despairing. No, when you see him coming, just shove him in the onion. Get a hot stock cooking till the honey is a-running. If you got carrots, your life is merit. If you're without, don't just grin and bear it. Sneak up to the garden and try not to scare it. If you're quiet and you're lucky, then you'll stare all of the carrots. Carrots are yum.